Most people think they're using AI the right way, but most people have got it all wrong. They type the prompt, get a random answer, maybe spend a few minutes each day on ChatGPT or similar, and that's it. But the people who are winning with AI, they're not just asking better questions, they're building actual systems. So if you're ready to use AI in a way that puts you ahead of 99% of people, watch this quick 10-minute video and maybe take some notes. And as this channel is an investing channel, I'll be finishing up with what you can do as an investor to move with the times and protect your financial future. The biggest mistake everyone makes. Most people use AI like this. Write me a viral YouTube script or a viral TikTok video. Or they ask it maybe to give them a fitness program, something like that, which is fair enough if this is you. At least you're getting used to using apps like ChatGPT or Claude. But what do most people get? Generic, soulless, forgettable, because AI is guessing. It has no idea of your style, your taste, your audience, your goals. This is if you're like me, by the way, and you're a content creator here on social media. Quite a lot of the info today is specific for content creators, but it applies to pretty much everything. Basically using AI the right way. If you use AI the wrong way, like most people, ChatGPT or similar will pull info from the average of the internet, which means your output becomes average. And the last thing you want to be is average. I've been talking about AI on social media since mid-2022, mainly from an investing point of view. My main message here on YouTube is the importance of financial education and long-term investing to protect your future self. I'm trying to use my 25 years of investing experience to help as many people as possible. I also feel with everything I've got that we all need to learn about AI and we need to invest into AI. That's pretty much why I'm doing this video. The mindset shift. This is another important part of this channel, mindset. Get this right as an investor and I think you become a very successful investor. And it's the same for AI. Approach it with the right mindset, with curiosity, with discipline, with an open mind. I think you win. Because for those that learn about AI over the next few years, there are huge opportunities. The people getting really good results from AI do one thing differently. They don't ask AI to do the work, they teach AI how they work. They turn knowledge, processes, frameworks into instructions. Because once AI has your process, you can run it forever. That's the difference between using AI versus building with AI. Before we go any further, I want to tell you how I'm using AI day to day. Now, I mainly use ChatGPT to help me with my YouTube channel. I do the initial research and get AI to help me write my scripts. And then I add my own unique experience and stories. I'm also using Google Gemini and Microsoft Copilot for work. And I've started to look more at Claude. This is the app we mainly use for the software business I've become involved with. What about you? How are you using AI day to day? Let me know below in the comments. By the way, if this type of info resonates, hit subscribe so we can educate ourselves, protect ourselves, and build wealth together. 4 steps to use ChatGPT the right way. If you want AI to do something well, you need the correct process. Here's what I do. It's not perfect, but I'm using AI every day and doing my best to keep up with what's actually going on. This is pretty much how I use ChatGPT to publish 3 to 4 YouTube videos every week, despite having a busy family life, work and training BJJ as much as possible. Step 1, give ChatGPT a role and clear outcome. Most people skip this and it's a big mistake. Tell it who it is, what you want created, who it's for, the goal. Here's a weak prompt. Write a YouTube script about Bitcoin. Rubbish. Once you realize how to use it, use a strong prompt like this. You are a high retention YouTube scriptwriter. Write a 15-minute script for beginner crypto investors. The goal is to maximize watch time and comments. Now the output is built for performance, not just information. Step 2, feed it context. This is your unfair advantage. The more it knows, the more it sounds like you. Add things like your audience, your style, your experience level, your content structure. Key points to include, here is a little example. My audience is UK investors who want simple, long-term strategies. My tone is motivational, clear and beginner-friendly. Use storytelling and real examples. I don't use ChatGPT stories, just to be clear. Yes, I use ChatGPT, as I've said, but I use my own unique experience. This is what turns AI into a content partner instead of a text generator. Before we go any further, this isn't financial advice, and the full disclaimer can be found below. That little line protects me, and this video and channel is for information only. Step 3. Ask for structure first, not the full script. This is a pro move. Get title ideas, section breakdown, curiosity gap, prompt. Please give me 5 high CTR titles, 3 viral hooks, 10 section script structure designed for retention. What a mouthful that was. Now you're directing, not regenerating endlessly. This is me being brutally honest, by the way, and telling you exactly how I write my videos for this channel. Everyone is using AI here on YouTube. It's a fact. And if they aren't, they probably should be. Step 4. Iterate like a creator, not a consumer. Your best scripts come from expansion, rewrites, depth, engagement, optimization, follow-up prompts. Expand section 3 with a story and an example. Add pattern interrupts every 60 seconds. Rewrite the intro to increase curiosity. Make this more emotional and motivational. Add 3 comment triggers. This is where the magic happens. More on how to prompt. I've given you my exact process I use for my YouTube videos. Now I want to be a bit more general, so you can use it for whatever you are looking to achieve. Like starting a TikTok, like my sister, or an app to help businesses use AI, which is what my brother is doing at the minute, or you could use it to help you in your chosen career. Hopefully, you get the point. Here's where everything changes. Instead of writing prompts manually, you create a prompt that builds prompts for you. And every powerful system has 3 phases. Phase 1, context gathering. It interviews you. Phase 2, strategy. It builds the plan. Phase 3, execution. It coaches you step by step. This is how you stop getting answers and start getting outcomes. What I'm saying is that whatever you're trying to do, ask AI to do it for you. Hopefully this video helps you to get going with AI, or to help you improve if you've already started. But if you want to improve further, I would recommend you start following people like Gary Vee. If anything, he will help drive home the importance of using AI, learn about it, so you don't get left behind at work, in business, etc. Real world use cases. 1. The intellectual sparring partner. Instead of asking AI for information, you make it think like Ray Dalio, Warren Buffett, Raoul Pal, etc. These again are related to investing because this is an investing channel. But you can apply it to anything you're interested in. Like getting help with work to get a pay increase, to get spare money to invest. Clearly, I can't help myself. Anyway, now every problem becomes a conversation with an expert, someone you can bounce ideas off. And this process, basically talking to AI, helps you to think clearly. 2, the creative thought partner. You don't let AI write for you, you make it ask better questions. Challenge your ideas, guide your thinking, so your output stays original. 3, the one person business stack. For offers, emails, landing pages, product creation, you're learning and building at the same time. That's leverage. 4, the YouTube system. Let's go back to YouTube. Instead of write me a script, you create prompts for titles, hooks, outlines, scripts, B-roll, descriptions. Your videos don't just get faster, they get better every single time. This is specific to me, but hopefully you do get the point. This is how you need to start thinking about using AI to become more efficient, and so you don't get left behind. Get fluent in AI. If you actually want this to change your life for the better, week 1. Build the habit. Use AI instead of Google. Keep it open. Use voice like Gary Vee, who is someone I've followed for the last few years, as I've said. Use it on mobile. Week 2, use it as a coach, not a worker. Weeks 3 to 4, you start. AI builds. You refine. Months 2 to 3, turn it into a system, your own recipe that improves over time. That's when AI becomes a multiplier, not a shortcut. Right now, there are 2 groups of people. Those using AI for convenience and those using AI for compounding advantages. In 2 to 3 years, they will not be in the same place. I've literally just sent a smaller, condensed version of this video to my daughters, my niece and my nephews. Yes, I do the heading, but it has to be done. It's hugely important. Summary. So, here's the real question. Are you going to keep using Google, or if you do use AI, are you going to stay stuck with the same prompts? Or are you going to start building systems to help you at work, with content creation, with your new business, with whatever it is you're currently focused on? Because once you understand what I've been talking about today, AI stops being a chatbot and starts becoming your team, your strategist, your unfair advantage. If you remember, I said at the start that I would finish with how you can invest into AI to protect your financial future. Well, if you see below, you'll find a video all about an AI crypto that's like investing in a Bitcoin 10 years ago, according to billionaire investor Barry Silbert.